In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Whether you're diving into this for the first time or simply upgrading to a new version, I've got you covered. Let's get into it. First off, head over to the Adobe Premiere Pro download page. You've got two options here. If you're looking to test the waters before committing, go for the free trial. On the other hand, if you're ready to dive right in, click on Buy Now. This step sets the stage for getting the software you need. Next up, you'll need to download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. Think of it as your control center for all things Adobe. If you haven't got it on your computer yet, this is your chance to grab it. The Creative Cloud app is a handy tool that'll manage all your Adobe applications, so you'll want to keep it installed. Once you have the Creative Cloud app downloaded, open it up and sign in using your Adobe account credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the simple instructions on Adobe's website. With your account all sorted out, your focus should be on the All Apps section within the Creative Cloud app. This is where you'll find Adobe Premiere Pro. When you see Premiere Pro listed, go ahead and click Install. If you're opting for the trial version, you might see a Get button instead. Either way, this is your gateway to getting the software onto your device. Once you click it, the installer gets to work, downloading the necessary files to install Premiere Pro. Here's where patience pays off. Take a moment, maybe grab a coffee, as you let the installer do its thing. It might take a few minutes, so just sit back and relax. After installation is complete, you can launch Premiere Pro straight from the Creative Cloud app or directly from your desktop or Start menu. Either option is just fine, whatever feels most convenient to you. Now, when you fire up Premiere Pro for the first time, you'll likely be prompted to log in once more with your Adobe credentials. Follow the prompts, accept the license terms, and take a moment to choose your preferred settings if you're presented with workspace layout options. This setup helps ensure that everything is customized to suit your needs. And there you have it. Adobe Premiere Pro is now up and running on your computer, ready for you to start creating some amazing projects. If you've followed these steps carefully, you're all set to explore the powerful features Premiere Pro has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.